smile for you. Look at the camera, like
Alexia.
Daddy's. Look.
Look. There she is, little Tara.
Yeah, more like little Lou. Let's put them together and see.
Can you reach her?
Alexia, look at the baby. You hugging her? Oh.
They're so cute.
Look at her little mouth. Hi. Alexia, I can already tell you're like one of those touchy-feely babies.
She is.
Touchy-feely people.
Wicked.
No, do nice. Nice. Hi. Hi. Do nice.
Olivia, don't start. Hey!
Say hi,
Can you
girls.
smile, please? Look at Alexia. She's looking at her.
Do nice. Nice. Nice.
She's like, she has the most mischievous looks, Tara.
Oh, her? Oh,
Alexia.
yeah, she's me inside.
She's got this little like.
No, no, no. You holding her hand? Oh, pretty. You're so sweet. You're so sweet. She has long fingers, miss.
Yeah.
Do nice.
Piano playing fingers, you know. Olivia! Hi! Are you talking to Alexia? Are you guys talking? Yeah!
Do
Are you
nice.
guys talking?
Do nice, baby girl. Sorry, Olivia.
Sorry, she's a trooper. She better rough it up and get ready. She's going to be over there with two little...
Oh, yeah, they're older than her. That's right. Do nice. Nice. Oh, excuse you.
Who was that? Her?
Oh, no. Excuse you.
Hi! Can I have a smile?
Don't pull here. What is it with you and hair? Oh, you found your foot. Oh, there we go. Eat the foot. Eat the foot.
Oh, stop, you fussy fuss. Fussy fussy. I
Hi.
think she's looking for something.
Oh, well, too bad. Not on camera. Hi. Oh, what's that? Oh, you want this? I'll be your bouncy seat.
Look at her stomach. It looks like mine.
Do nice. Nice. Why do you say she's gonna grab your face? Do hey, do nice.
That's
nice. You know, they don't like, their movements are so jerky, you know?
Yeah.
Like she goes over to the cat and she's like, I'm like, great, he's gonna be biting her in another month. Nice. Do nice.
Olivia's just checking her out like...
Say hi, Olivia. Do nice.
Oh, stop. Stop that. Stop that fussing. You're fine.
Oh, silly.
You're fine.
Who's the silly girl? Alright, you. You want to eat your cereal? I think Daddy's taking a nap.
Because daddies need a lot more sleep than mommies do.
Oh, that's for the record.
That's how God made us. And daddy needs a lot more basketball than mommy does.
Daddy's like, you know,
All right, sign off.
Mommy's too.